How to turn on car mode in Spotify. Want to make your Spotify experience safer and easier while driving? In this video, I'll show you how to turn on car mode in Spotify. So let's get started. First, let's quickly talk about what car mode is. This feature simplifies the interface of the Spotify app, making it easier to control your music while driving. It's designed for hands-free use. You can focus on the road. The easiest way to activate car mode in Spotify is when your phone connects to your car via Bluetooth or a USB cable. Here's what you need to do. Just connect your phone to your car's Bluetooth by simply turning on the Bluetooth and simply connect it to your car, and once it's connected, Spotify will be opened, or you can open Spotify and it will switch automatically to car view. You'll see a simplified interface with larger buttons and fewer distractions. You can also manually turn on car mode in Spotify. Open the Spotify app on your phone and just start playing a song or playlist. In the now playing screen, just swipe up the car view or a car icon at the top of the screen. It will be shown when your Bluetooth is connected to your car. And that's it. Now you know how to turn on car mode in Spotify and make your driving experience safer and more convenient.